So I was just walking into my condo. Got this tree here. If you look, covered in little berries. They all seem to be dropping off. So when you look at the floor, don't know whether you can see them. They're all dropping off for some reason, I don't know why. There's tons of them on there. It's just something I noticed. Anyone tell me what's happening? Good afternoon, Cheap Dave here. Just leaving my apartment, my condo area. Got a bit of a mission on today. Now, got to pop into Pattaya, head up towards Soibacau. There's a place called Tucom, and they deal with all electronics, mobile phones, computers. The charger on my computer has stopped working, so I need to buy a new one. So that's where I'm going to be. I'm going to be hopefully buying a new little charger for the phone, for the laptop, and I'll be able to download videos again. So here we go. So I found myself a bit of shade, waiting for the BART bus, heading to Pattaya. So hopefully I'll get my computer sorted out, and today I'm not releasing a video because I've got hardly any charge left on the computer, so I can't download anything at the moment. So I've got to get this sorted. Okay, so the BART bus has brought me down to the set of traffic lights over the road here. There's a row of BART buses. One of them will be taking me home. So across just here. Excuse me. Right. So we're at the junction where I was the other day when I went to the pub. That road over there takes me to Beach Road and the end of Walking Street. If I go straight on, you go towards Central Pattaya Road and Central Festival, and this way we're heading up towards Road 3. You keep going up here, you come to the 7-Eleven shaped like the ocean liner. So I'm going to be heading up here to just before Soibacau, and on my right I should find a place called Tucom Electronics. There's a temple over here, just give you more bearings of where you are, and I think Tucom will be one of these big yellow buildings up ahead. Maybe not this one, but just a little bit further along. A nice temple to visit if you've got nothing to do. And we'll go and see if we can find Tucom. Got to get this sorted because without the laptop I can't edit and download my videos onto YouTube. So, serious one for me. Got to get it done. Got to find a power lead. Now I did order one off Lazada. Cost me about £5, but it got all the right powers and wattage and all this sort of stuff as the one I've got, but the connection that goes to the computer was a different connector. It was a thinner connector than the one for my computer, so I basically bought the wrong one. So I've decided I've lost the fibre, I can't be bothered to send it back, or it's just not worth the bother. So that's a loss. Not good for me. I don't like losing money. So we're gonna you know so what do you come? Yeah, so come with the wrong connector, lost a fiver, so I'll have to have a little cry about that at some stage. So I've decided to carry my laptop down here, take it into the store, have a little look round, see if any of them have got the charger for this computer, and see how much they want for it. So we're looking for Tucom. Will be one of these, sorry Cal, be one of these buildings down here. And I know it's one that's all painted red and yellow. So hopefully it'll be this one just coming up here. Soybacao is not far up the road, so according to Google Maps, it's just down here somewhere. So let's hope. Now, when I did my evening walk the other evening, this is the side I went down, where you got all the beauty salons and nail things and right. So let's have a look. So they're doing gold over there. And it looks like it's all gold. So it's not this place. They're a bit further up. So we'll keep going, see what we find. It's red hot, just after between 12 and 1 o'clock. So sun's beating down on us. Still no sign of Tucom. Carrying this laptop through here. I just hope that they've got the charger that I'm after. got the sign up there for Pattaya City Hospital. Well, now let's have a look at this place. Tucom. So this is the place I'm looking for. So we'll go inside, take a look. Okay, so we're into Tucom. So let's have a look round. I know they do mobile phones in here. So if you want a data card for your phone and you're in Thailand, this is probably the best place you can come. I think 7-Elevens are just as cheap, but don't know for sure. So down here, no sign of computers or phones, it's just cases, jewellery, clothing, stuff like that. So we'll take a look upstairs and see what's up there. Okay, so we got the mobile terminal up here. So we're going to go and find out if we can get what I want. We'll have to have a look. All accessories, credit card. These are all mobile phones. A lot of them have got tablets as well. I'm going to see if I can find a place that just deals with laptops. But it's one of these stalls up here that I got my SIM card for my phone. It's been fantastic. I'm paying about £6 a month to the cab. Hello. So I just asked a lady about a charger down here, and it's all mobile down here. So I have to go upstairs. And the upstairs, I've just walked past the entrance, so I'll go back. There we go. Okay, so we'll go and find the escalator around here. Around here. Lots of accessories for mobile, so any problems, this is where I'll be coming. So I don't know where the escalator is for upstairs. That one's a coming down escalator. Sawadee krab. Oh, let's go upstairs. So I'm heading up for the 3rd floor. So I've been told the computers are on. We'll soon find that out. Let's have a look. So here we are. Laptops everywhere. With all these laptops, let's have a little look at the prices. So you've got 39,000, 25,000. All sorts of accessories here. Well, that's the lady. in a minute. I'll have a wander around first. Looks like you can buy almost anything for computers right here. Sorry, cab. Do you have charger? No. In here somewhere?
Maybe downstairs near toilet.
Near toilet. Okay, copy cab. Oh, I'll wander round. So, selling all the computers. You can check out the prices. You're looking at around 35,000. I'll do a conversion on that because I'm sure one day I'm going to need one. So we've got some empty units up here. We'll make our way back down. See if any of these have got a charger for my laptop. That's all printer inks. If I can't find it in here, I'm going to have trouble finding one at all, I think. Like here, there's all remote controls, microphones, stuff like that. Cameras. Let's see if he does them. Sorry, Cat.
What do you have?
You have. Hold on. So we come to the bottom floor. Got a lady here selling shoes, you've got gold, you've got shirts, you've got perfume, you've got watches, and you have donuts. So, still looking for my way out of here. I've lost all sense of direction. Hopefully, I'll get Soybecow, the road up to Rosebery, I can't remember the name of it. Hopefully it'll be outside the front of here. And I think I'll make my way along Soybecow, maybe look at a few different places for tomorrow's video. So that'll be it from this one. So if you could like, subscribe, press the bell, then I'd appreciate it, because it always helps the channel out if you do that, and it's free for you. So if you could do that, I'd be grateful. Thanks for watching.